Here in the video, we will share the details for the Warhammer 40,000 Space Marine 2 error code N-3. But before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar, and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me, and it is not AI generated. The error reads connection error. As per our research, the error comes when users try to join their friends online. The connection either fails immediately or breaks every 10 to 15 minutes during a match. Even if the level is completed, the error may still occur once the party returns to the lobby. According to our research, the error is likely caused by unstable connections or server-related issues. Now let's come to the fixes for the error. The first thing we suggest is to restart the entire game. Simply exit to the desktop, then close the game process completely, and then relaunch it. After that, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, power cycle your device along with the internet. Simply shut down your device and unplug the router. Then wait for around 5 minutes, then restart both devices and see if the error still comes. If the error still persists, check if there is any pending update for the game. If yes, update the game and check for the error. If the error still continues, then try connecting over a different Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. Once connected to a new network, launch the game and see if the error still comes. At last, if the error still persists, then it is probably a server-side issue. In that case, wait for some time and try again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.